Chain link fences almost always include top rail because it carries the weight of the chain link and it helps keep the fence straight. Securing the bottom of the fence is almost always optional, and choosing how to do it usually comes down to these four things. Number one, security. Number two, terrain. Three, durability. And finally, number four, the customer's budget. Let's look at the two options for securing the bottom of the fence: bottom wire versus bottom rail. Bottom tensor wire is the most common upgrade. It's a heavy galvanized wire stretched tightly between the terminal posts, attached to the line post, and secured to the chain link with hog rings. This wire is available in colors to match the chain link fence. Now, why would somebody use bottom wire? Number one, it prevents the fence from lifting, which is great for security and keeping pets contained in your yard. Number two, it keeps animals from getting into your yard by pushing the fence. Number three, it helps keep the chain link tight and neat and possibly adds years to the life of your fence. Number four, it's easy to install on uneven ground. And finally, it's much cheaper than bottom rail. People always ask, are there any downsides to using bottom wire? While it stops the fence from being lifted, it's still easy to dig under the fence, and it offers no impact protection. So if something hits it, it will bend, and it doesn't look as finished as bottom rail. We like to think of bottom wire as simply functional restraint, meaning it will control movement without adding additional structure. Now let's look at bottom rail, which we will call a structural and aesthetic upgrade. The bottom rail is a steel pipe similar to the top rail and also made to match the color of your fence. Why would a customer choose a bottom rail over a bottom wire? Number one, it will add structural strength to the fence. It not only prevents lifting of the fence, it also reduces bending of the fence, and it's a cleaner, more polished, finished appearance. It'll stop lawnmowers and weed whackers from bending the fence, and it's probably better in high traffic areas where you expect impact. Bottom rail is usually used in commercial and industrial sites, always used on athletic fields, high security areas, and places where people expect a lot of foot traffic. And it's easy to install on flat ground. Now, the downside of bottom rail is it will cost more than bottom wire. It's harder to install and takes more time to install than bottom wire. And some people say it can trap garbage under the fence, which I don't really think should be a concern of anybody's. All this being said, how do you choose between bottom wire and bottom rail? Let's use a simple rule of thumb. You choose bottom wire if you need or want affordable security, you have pets, or you have uneven ground. Choose bottom rail if you need maximum durability, cleaner appearance, or expect a lot of traffic or abuse. As always, if you need help with anything fence or railing related, or deciding whether to use bottom wire or bottom rail, give us a call at Natural Beauty Fence. Don't call me, call my son Alex. He said if I do this video, I don't have to talk to anyone. I don't have to talk to you. So here's Alex's phone number. He'll be the one answering the phone, not a bot, not somebody else, definitely not me. I'm not talking to anyone. Call this number. This is Alex. Thank you.